Hello, my beautiful friends and family and front seat lifers. This is Jessica Butts. I am in the beautiful, beautiful island of Hawaii, and I am just sitting, journaling, chilling in the middle of the day, being very, very, very grateful. And I'm coming to you today to talk about one of my offerings and why you should care. I am all about being unapologetically who you are, living your life however you want to live it. This is how I choose to live my life, but this is not how everybody chooses to live their life. I had a dream about living here on this island, and I had a dream about writing books and speaking, and it's something that I dreamt about from a little kid. And now I am living that dream, and I have ways for you to learn what I learned so that you can do this too. It's called the Roadmap to Your Front Seat Life, and it is a beautiful, beautifully designed, I didn't do any of that, so I can say that it's beautiful, beautifully designed, all-encompassing page on my website. You have 24/7 access to it for the rest of your life. All of the videos, all of the content from my books, everything that I talk about, everything that I teach. And I am so passionate about this because, again, it's the tools that have gotten me to live my life uniquely, to live my life different from the rest of the population. And most of the clients that I work with, they have some sort of dream, whether that is, to live in Hawaii like I do, or if it's to have a whole bunch of kids, or it's to help teenagers like one of my clients, or it's to write books, or it's to be an excellent therapist, or it's to be the best yoga teacher there is. Whatever it is, you have to start with understanding who you are. So I have three systems or three ways that I really help people, and one is figuring out who you are, which is your innate personality type. Number two is how are you going to get there, and so much of this is your mindset and figuring that out. And lastly is the tough one for a lot of people, is how you are going to get there, and that is taking decisive action. So this is my signature system called System, Structures, and Singular Focus, where I really help people basically get their shit together. Like, stop making excuses, stop farting around, get your stuff together, and really, really make your life and your business work for you. So it's $297. It's an unbelievably great deal for everything that you get. You get all of my worksheets. You get me talking you through every single step. I should probably know how many videos there are, but I think there's 26 or 27. Tons of content from my book, all kinds of extra goodies. And again, it's just, you can pop it in, watch it anytime that you want, anytime you're needing some motivation or just a reminder. So it's basically getting coaching from me anywhere that you are in the world. And I hope that it's something that you will cherish and love as much as I cherished and loved building it for all of you. So I will have you have one last look at this beautiful place that I am at. I'm just having a very lovely introverted journaling and just writing about how thankful I am. So I hope you will take advantage. Love you guys. Bye.